Hello everyone, today I will show you how to check today's data usage on iPhone. And here's how it is done. There are two ways to check your data usage on iPhone. The first method is to go to your settings, then tap on cellular, located right under Bluetooth. If you scroll down, you will see your cellular data, which shows how much you have used in the current period. You can also check when this period started by scrolling down, and at the bottom you will see last reset. Keep in mind that this doesn't reset automatically, but you can manually hit reset statistics to track your daily usage. Unfortunately, the built-in tools on the iPhone are somewhat limited for daily tracking. For better data management, I recommend downloading a data usage app. Let us go to the App Store and search for data usage. I suggest trying the second option, data usage. It is a simple free app. Once you open it, it will display your data usage for the day, including data consumed, remaining data, and time left on your plan. You can also tap on My Plans to set your data limit and plan renewal details. As you use your phone throughout the day, it will show you how much data you have used and how close you are to your limit. That is everything you need to know about how to check today's data usage on iPhone. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.